Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Solana price prediction and Solana news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Solana in 2022. Solana is a highly functional open source project that relies on the free nature of blockchain technology to create decentralized finance (DeFi) solutions. The idea and initial work on the project began in 2017. Solana was officially launched in March 2020 by the Solana Foundation, headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Thanks to its innovative hybrid consensus model, Solana is of interest to both small traders and institutional investors. The focus of the Solana Foundation is to make decentralized finance available on a larger scale. Anatoly Yakovenko is the face of the Solana project. His professional career began at Qualcomm, where he quickly rose through the ranks to become senior engineering manager in 2015. Later, his professional path changed, and Yakovenko moved to the position of a programmer at Dropbox. In 2017, Yakovenko began work on a project that would later come to life as Solana. He teamed up with his Qualcomm colleague Greg Fitzgerald, and they founded a project called Solana Labs. With the involvement of several more former Qualcomm colleagues in the process, the Solana protocol and the SOL token went public in 2020. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Solana. Robinhood is giving away SHIB worth $100K to 10,000 users, after recently announcing the listing of Shiba Inu, SHIB, with Solana, Sol, Polygon, Matic, and Compound, commission-free investment platform. Robinhood has announced there is more in store for its users. Indeed, the investment platform revealed, after announcing the listing of SHIB on Twitter, that it is giving away $100,000 worth of SHIB to 10,000 users. You can find your Robinhood username on your profile inside the account page, says the platform in a subsequent tweet, providing instructions on locating the username. Users must be among the first 10,000 customers to retweet the giveaway link in order to be eligible to win, with the deadline for participation finishing on April 12, 2022, at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. In particular, the rewards will be accessible for redemption in the app within 24 hours of the retweet being made. As customers want a broader selection of cryptocurrencies to trade with, Robinhood Markets (Nasdaq HUD) on Tuesday has listed Solana, Sol United States dollars, Shiba Inu, SHIB United States dollars, Polygon, Matic United States dollars, and Compound, Comp United States dollars, to its digital asset offerings, according to the company's blog post Solana. However, Sol and Luna investors are far from being over the moon, as weighted sentiment for both assets was in the negative territory at press time. This suggests that investors are well past the excitement of the buy-the-dip stage. Now ready with their newly acquired assets, most seem ready for a bull run. Looking at the price action of both assets, Sol was trading at $80.94, having risen by 0.67% in the last 24 hours, while falling by 3.75% over the last 7 days. Meanwhile, Luna was changing hands at $93.04, after appreciating by 5.81% in a day, and rallying by 12.82% in 7 days. While investors might take this as a sign to gather some alts for their portfolio, both coins come with their own baggage. For instance, Solana's total value locked TVL share has been on a certain downtrend since the fall of 2021. Meanwhile, Terra's TVL is on the rise, and with a 12.95% share, it is just behind Ethereum itself. And yet, analysts are concerned that Luna could be due for a correction soon. Furthermore, DeFi players are questioning the yield sustainability of Terra's anchor lending protocol, typically without providing any collateral that might otherwise be needed. Once someone can mint infinite tokens, they can sell them on the market, crushing a token's price. Second news today about BlockTackle raises $5 million to develop Solana NFT skateboarding game. Veteran video game developers are pouring into the blockchain space, if recent studio funding announcements are any indication, and here's another to add to the list. Today, startup BlockTackle announced that it has raised $5 million to develop a Solana-based skateboarding game called Skatex with a team of experienced developers. The $5 million seed round was led by Play Ventures and Cadenza Ventures. An array of other notable investors also participated, such as Coinbase Ventures, Solana Ventures, leading metaverse investor Animoca Brands, and Twitch co-founder Kevin Lin. BlockTackle is a new Web3 gaming studio co-founded by Ben Topkins and Rob Oshima, who previously worked together at mobile gaming firm Kabam. The 13-person team also includes veterans of Electronic Arts, Apple, Roblox, Lucasfilm, and Supercell. While working on hit free-to-play mobile games like Kingdoms of Camelot, the co-founders saw how players poured countless hours and dollars into games for years, but had nothing they could ultimately sell or bring into another game. If they moved on to a new game at some point, then they'd start back at zero. In other words, developers capture all of the value in those games. With WEB, if you are looking for Solana price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030, then you have come to the right place. We will share some of the most anticipated questions that seriously require attention and accurate answers. SOL Rate Prediction 2022. SOL will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Solana rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2022, the Solana rate will be almost $122.19. The maximum bet we can get is $142.07. Solana average price prediction for the end of 2022 could be around $125.72. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. SOL Price Prediction 2023. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are sure that the long-term price forecast for SOL will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2023 could end with an average bid of $182.67 and a minimum bid of $177.65. The maximum bid is expected to be around $211.87. SOL Price Forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Solana price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of SOL will rise to around $262.85 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year could end with a maximum price of $312.30 with a minimum price $255.55 level. Solana Price Prediction 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Solana will skyrocket, with a maximum trading price of $446.11 in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $381.94 with a maximum price of $446.11 for 2025. SOL Rate Prediction 2026. The value of Solana will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. SOL is expected to top out at $641.51 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it's very optimistic that Solana's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of SOL will be between $508.24 and $523.51 expected in 2026 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of SOL ranges from $508.24 to $641.51 for 2026. Solana Price Prediction 2027. Solana's current price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore SOL could reach $886.45 by 2027, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $731.64 for 2027, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2027. Solana Price Prediction 2028.